Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lady's fingers salad. So let's start with the ingredients first. I have taken here 250 grams of lady's fingers. We also call it as okra. I have cut it into this shape. Then I have taken 1/2 onion sliced. Then also 1/2 tomato sliced. And I have also taken a capsicum sliced and 1/2 lime. And also I will be using here some crushed pepper, and salt will be always to your taste, and we need some oil to fry the lady's fingers. So now I'm going to deep fry the lady's fingers. The oil is well heated. I will add the lady's fingers into the oil. Make sure you will mix the lady's fingers occasionally. It has to be deep fried into golden brown. So as you can see now, the lady's fingers are done. I'm going to move it to a paper towel. So this is the lady's fingers that we deep fried. Now let's start with making the salad. So we need a bowl to mix the salad. So now I'm going to add the onions, the tomatoes, and then the capsicum into the bowl. Now I will squeeze the 1/2 lime into the bowl as well. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of crushed pepper into the bowl. You can add pepper according to the spiciness that you prefer. Add salt always to your taste. I will add here a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm going to start mixing this with my hands. I will mix all the ingredients first before adding the fried lady's fingers. So now I'm going to add the fried lady's fingers into the bowl. Make sure you will mix it gently at this moment. Make sure that all flavors are mixed well. I'm going to taste the salad now. This is really delicious. Now I'm going to get this prepared to the table. So this is the lady's finger or okra salad that I prepared today. This is very healthy and your family members would love this. So give it a try when you have all the ingredients. Hope you enjoyed my video. Let's meet again with another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.